Welcome to the Learning Studio and thank you for joining our law series. In this video, we dive into one of the most powerful and foundational branches of the legal world, constitutional law. You can find the full playlist link in the description below. Don't forget to check it out and follow along as we build your legal foundation step by step. What gives a country the right to govern? Who decides how power is shared between the president and the parliament? What protects your freedom of speech or religion? The answer lies in constitutional law, the backbone of any nation's legal and political system. What is constitutional law? Constitutional law is the body of law that defines the structure of the state, the powers of the government, and the fundamental rights of its citizens. It answers big questions like who holds power and how is it limited? What rights do people have and how are they protected? How is law made? And who interprets it? At its core, constitutional law sets the rules for how a country runs. Historical perspective. The concept of a constitution is ancient, but modern constitutional law began to take shape in the 18th century, with documents like the U.S. Constitution, 1787, the oldest written constitution still in use today. The French Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, 1789, which inspired human rights globally. In many countries, the Constitution is the supreme law, even above kings, presidents, or parliaments. Constitutional law matters every day, even when we don't see it. When courts protect freedom of the press, it's constitutional law. When citizens protest peacefully, it's their constitutional right to assembly. When the government is stopped from violating human rights, it's the Constitution in action. Without constitutional law, power could become absolute. Rights could vanish, justice could collapse. Famous case study, India. In Kesavananda Bharati v. State of Kerala, 1973, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be altered, not even by Parliament. This landmark judgment preserved judicial independence, democracy, and fundamental rights, a powerful example of constitutional law defending the people. In the digital age, constitutional law is facing new challenges. Should internet access be a fundamental right? Can surveillance be justified in the name of national security? How do we protect democratic values in a world of misinformation? These are constitutional questions for the next generation of legal minds, like you. So whether you're a student, educator, or just a curious thinker, understanding constitutional law isn't just for lawyers. It's for every citizen who wants to understand how their country works. And in this series, we'll continue unpacking the key pillars of the legal system, one topic at a time. So stay tuned, and don't forget to watch the next video in our law series. This is the Learning Studio, and you're just getting started on your legal journey.